Get ready to charge your electric vehicle smarter and faster with the Lectron Level 2 NACS Tesla V-BOX Pro EV charger. In this video, I'll show you how to install, use, and get the best performance from this powerful Level 2 charger. About the product, the V-BOX Pro EV charging station is a smart Level 2 home charger for all Tesla and NACS EVs, delivering up to 48 amps at 240 volts for fast and efficient charging. It supports both plug-in and hardwired installation options and features Wi-Fi app control for monitoring, scheduling, and energy management. With a weather-resistant design and built-in safety features, it's ideal for reliable indoor or outdoor home use. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the V-BOX Pro EV charging station, charging handle Tesla or NACS, mounting plate, drill reference paper, J-hook, screw cover, NEMA 1450, plug 40 amps, screw plus anchor set, user manual. Product overview. V-BOX Pro charging station, charging handle Tesla or NACS, V-shaped LED power button. Installation. To install the Lectron V-BOX Pro Level 2 EV charging station, use the drilling reference paper to mark the wall for the mounting plate's location. Drill holes at the marked positions and insert wall anchors, align the mounting plate, and attach it firmly. Align V-BOX Pro slots with mounting plate tabs and attach. Reinsert V-BOX Pro screws, conceal with screw caps. Connect the power cable to a NEMA 1450 outlet, noting that hard wiring is required to achieve full 48 amp output. Connection setup. Download the Lectron app from Google Play or App Store or scan the QR code. Then create an account using and verify your email if needed. In the app, go to My Chargers, then Add Charger, select the portable charger model, and enter your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi details. Once connected, the charger will be added to your account for full app control and monitoring. How to use. To use the Lectron V-BOX Pro Level 2 EV charging station, plug the Tesla or NACS connector into your vehicle until it clicks to start charging. Monitor progress via the app or LED indicator. When finished, press the release button, unplug it, and store the cable on the holder. Specifications. Troubleshooting. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.